Physics doesn't describe objects, it describes oscillations. What if the deepest division we believe in science here and spirit there was never real? What if it was only a misread signal, a distortion in perception, a noise mistaken for truth? Imagine a single frequency. Not poetic, not symbolic, a real phenomenon capable of collapsing the illusion of separation entirely. Modern humanity inherited a fracture. Facts on one side, meaning on the other hand, measurement versus mystery. Science was told to stay objective, spirit was told to stay irrational, and somewhere along the way, we mistook specialization for truth. This division doesn't just shape philosophy, it shapes anxiety, identity, alienation. A species split against its own perception. Atoms vibrate, particles resonate, space itself hums. Clarity instructs reality. It tells existence what to assemble next. These illuminated lines symbolize destiny paths, guiding the way forward. From quantum fields to string theory, reality isn't built from things, it's built from frequencies. Long before equations, ancient traditions said the same thing. Not as myth, but as observation. Creation begins with vibration. There is no magical frequency that fixes humanity. That fantasy belongs to marketing, but there is resonance. And resonance collapses false boundaries. World shifts, paths appear, waiting for your awakening. When systems synchronize, friction dissolves. When perception stabilizes, separation weakens. Clarity shapes reality, guides what's next. The sound of separation ending is not something you hear. It's something that happens when interference stops. This isn't spiritual escapism. It's physiological. Breathing regulates frequency. Attention stabilizes the signal. Sound entrains the nervous system. Meditation isn't mystical. It's signal hygiene. Sound healing isn't a belief. It's resonance applied to biology. A society that understands resonance stops worshipping conflict. Technology becomes cooperative. Science becomes humane. Spirituality becomes grounded. Not unity through ideology, but coherence through clarity. The separation never needed to be healed, only recognized as noise. Science and spirit were never enemies. They were echoes of the same vibration, heard through different instruments. The question is no longer what you believe. It's how clearly you listen. The signal is already here.